No. Alright, so here's our new playground. It just opened up yesterday. Now, as a father and having over 20 years in the park and rec industry, being a certified playground inspector, some things that I noticed is they moved it about 30 feet closer to this road. In mid-afternoon, when people are getting off work, when people want to play in the playground, the road gets real busy, and it's kind of, you know, it used to be further back, give you more room to chase after your kid if you had to. Without measuring, the concrete border looks kind of close to this play structure here. And they put new canopies up, but not over the swings. The new swings are a hard rubber. With the hard rubber, everyone knows it's easily to, if you get hit in the face with it, if a kid walks in front of it or something like that. They just finished. They still got the paper tags on everything. They didn't take it off. So they finished maybe about a week ago, and it just opened yesterday, and the slide's already getting stained because it's underneath the black olive tree. I have no idea what this thing is.
I think it's like, a seesaw or thing.
Yeah, but it's attached to the ground, but it's loose on the top. So it just shakes.
It's either like a seesaw or is it something you just sit here and like read a book.
Oh, read a book station? Okay.
Yeah, it's probably that's what it is.
Well, like my kids just pointed out, this is already broken, a day old.